everyone. This is Esther with Ester Buys houses. Just celebrating. I was able to help somebody else sell their houses just the way it is. They were very stressed regarding all these monthly payments that they were doing, and they had another house they were making monthly payments. So I was just telling them, look, just let it go. Like this song I'm listening to. And trust in the process. My husband and I can't be in this business without following through with what we're doing. We have referrals of people that are satisfied with us helping them out. And like I said, I really enjoy helping people out. I thrive in that. That's what my husband and I do. We thrive in that. And we just tell these people, these homeowners, maybe you're one of them. Just throw your hands up and celebrate your life, because we're here to help you out. We create solutions and we provide solutions for you and get things done. So call me and I will answer my phone. And if I don't, I will call you back. I'm a mom and I do run errands and I have to go buy water. I have to cook dinner. So leave me a message or a text message and I'll get back to you. And like I've said it once, I'll say it again. I'm here to help you out. So call me. My number is 915-247-8882. Again, 915-247-8882. All right, guys, I'm looking forward to talking to you. Take care. Bye-bye.